Beta.
Ma'am, what we'll do today?
Beta, I am going to type questions in the chat box today, and
Good morning, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
you will give answers in the chat box only. No writing down in copies.
Okay, ma'am.
Let everybody join, then we'll begin the class.
Ma'am, you know that I have parrot.
Yes, you showed a very pretty parrot to us, to the whole class.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
remember that was sitting on the
Yes,
top
ma'am.
of the stairs.
Yes, ma'am. I'm Mithu and Mithi.
You have,
I also one parrot.
yes, Rasya also had. It was Rasya's parrot who was sitting on the railing of the stairs.
Ma'am, that is Rasya parrot.
Morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have bought my parrot yesterday only.
You got your parrot
Two
yesterday.
parrots. Yes, ma'am. Two parrots, Mithu and Mithi. And ma'am, they are very cute.
Do they speak? Do they copy?
Yes, ma'am. But because अभी वो trained नहीं है, so they not very much. Only like वो सीटी बजाती है.
Oh, very nice. They only whistle, huh?
Yes, ma'am. They only whistle. Ma'am, we have to type answers in chat box only.
Yes, you have to type the answers in chat box.
What will be
Okay,
today, ma'am? Please tell.
Beta, I am going to conduct a quiz. I will type questions in the chat box, and you have to type their answers in the chat box.
Okay, ma'am. Fine. It should be wrong, so you say it is wrong.
Yes? What? Okay, shall we begin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, wait for a minute.
Your first question is, I think I should lock the meeting. Now I should not let anyone else enter.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, at times I feel that it is being repeated again and again and again. And sometimes I think that, yes, good if it is being repeated. You people are learning it better. So what do you feel about it? The same questions being repeated, how do you feel about them?
Ma'am, it's good to revise them.
It's good.
Yes, ma'am, it's good to revise them.
Okay. The first question.
So that we can learn them better.
Yes, very nice. What is a mountain range? First question is, what is a mountain range? Type it in the chat box. Nobody will speak.
Ma'am, we will personally send.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to personally send, and someone has sent, not sent personally.
Okay, everyone will send direct message. No one will send it to everyone. Very quick, very nice, children. Very nice. So many answers. Okay. Ready for the next question? Everyone show me a thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am.
And those who are not ready, thumbs down. Anyone with thumbs down? No one. Excellent. Second question. Why is a plateau called a tableland? Now these questions are not given at the back of your book, but these are based on your understanding of the chapter, understanding of concepts. So I will put up questions from anywhere. If you don't know the answer, you can ask me. Why is a
morning, ma'am.
plateau called a tableland?
Ma'am, I have joined 5 minutes late, so can you tell what you are doing?
Now
ma'am,
wait,
I have
let
also
me log
joined
the
5.
meeting first. Yes, I'll log the meeting. I'm calling out, I'm speaking questions and you have to type the answer in the chat box. You have to send answer directly to me. Why is a plateau called a tableland? Very nice. Bhavya, very good. Samarth, very good. Very quick.
Ma'am, do we have to send it on your personal
Yes.
chat?
Send it directly to me.
मैं मतलब है sending it to everyone.
Beta, don't send it to everyone. Please send it directly. Okay, excellent. And hence is like a table. Very nice. Okay, the main reason why it is called a tableland is because it is raised like a table and it is flat like it. Hence, it is called a tableland.
Then my answer is correct or not?
Ma'am, please do the setting
Then
of
my answer is correct or not?
Do the
please
setting
send
of
the set-
what?
to sending you personally.
So,
the answer.
okay, tell me, allow participants to chat. I should deselect this option, right? Then you will be able to.
No, ma'am, it disable the chat.
Ma'am, you have disabled the chat.
Okay, now tell me what do I do?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you do. Ma'am, like there are 3 dots. So, ma'am, where you have disabled the chat, so there you can. There is an option direct message. So click on that and select your name.
There, yes, there is an option.
Ma'am, direct message.
No, there is no option. Options are lock meeting, enable waiting room, hide profile pictures, allow participants to share screen, chat, rename, unmute, start video. There is no option.
Ma'am, click on chat.
In the chat box. Ma'am, in the chat box.
Ma'am, first
Okay,
you
in
open
the chat box. Okay, I'll do it.
Click on chat option.
Now
Ma'am,
in
you
the
click
chat box.
Ma'am, there you can see 3 dots and there you can see direct message.
Participant chat can chat with no one. Okay, host everyone. Hosts and co-hosts, right? This is what I'm supposed
Yes.
to do.
Yes, ma'am. Now,
Yes, ma'am, now we can only chat to you.
Okay, it has been set.
yes, ma'am.
Very nice.
Yes, ma'am.
See, children, I feel so good when I learn something from you. So small you people are, still you have so much knowledge to share. Okay, next question is, why are plains thickly populated? You can give any 2 reasons. Why are plains thickly populated?
what?
Ma'am, on which page?
No age, beta. See, I told you I am giving you questions based on your understanding of concepts.
Okay, ma'am.
Why are
Ma'am, what?
plains thickly populated? Why do you think plains are thickly populated? You have to give any 2 reasons.
Ma'am, what is thickly populated?
Thickly means they are very,
Ma'am, it is mean
they
densely.
have a good population. good number of people live on plains as compared to hills or mountain regions? Why it has a higher population than other areas? Okay, Panchul says, and contain where? Yes, correct, beta. Shore says plains are populated as the soil in plains is good for growing crops. It has pleasant weather. Okay, nice. I have received 2 answers so far.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Why are plains thickly populated? Plains are densely populated because soil is fertile and good for growing crops. Very good. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, so everyone is giving reasons of fertile soil, good for growing crops, and the weather conditions are good here. Correct.
Ma'am, I have also sent over.
Next question comes is, who is making noise? Daksh, beta, mute yourself.
Ma'am, what is the question?
Sorry,
Yeah.
ma'am, I not know my mic is on mute.
Okay, beta. Next question
Ma'am, what
is
is the question?
beta. I'm seeing from the book that what question I should frame.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Ma'am, I asked you a question, ma'am, before some days, that why in Antarctica it is always so cold, and you told that you will answer, and you didn't
What
answer
was
my
the question? What was the question, beta?
Ma'am, the question was why the snow of Antarctica doesn't melt in summers also.
Why the snow of Antarctica
Yes.
does not melt in summers? Yes.
Ma'am, what is the question? Please tell.
My question or Raina's? Oh, sorry, Varshita's question.
Ma'am, your question.
Okay, my question. The next question is, how is a river different from a lake?
Please tell again.
How is a river different from a lake?
Ma'am, why is water different for the ray?
What are you saying? I said,
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
how is a river different from a lake?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
What is wrong? How is a river different from a lake?
Ma'am, the answer of verses are. Ma'am, no, ma'am, I'm saying the answer of Varshita's question. What is?
Yes, beta, I'm just finding out whether her question is correct or not. She is saying that snow in Antarctica does not melt in summers. But just first let me find out, does it melt
Ma'am,
or
I
not?
think it is because it in the summers the temperature goes to -40 or -30 something, and in Antarctica in winter it is -70 or something.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question again?
No,
No,
I
I
can't
forgot.
repeat, beta. So many times I have said, where were you? What happened?
No, ma'am, I forgot the question. What is different from river? I can't.
Lake. How is a lake different from river?
Okay, ma'am.
And this is the next question.
Wait, beta, wait. Actually, Varshita has
Ma'am,
made.
I have sent you the answer in chat box.
Varshita's question has made me lose all my mind into it. I'm just trying to find out why it doesn't melt, or it melts or not. I'm just finding that. Okay, next question.
Can I tell?
Yes, tell. If anyone knows, then please tell.
No, ma'am. I know.
Ma'am, I think because in the winter it is -70 and in the summer it's -30 or 40.
Is it so?
Temperature.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I tell now?
ma'am, I think the
Because -30 and 40 is also a very
Yes.
frozen state.
Yes. Zero degrees is freezing temperature. It's a freezing this thing. Ice freezes at what degree? How many degrees? 0 degrees.
ma'am,
Water freezes at how many degrees?
yes, ma'am.
Uh,
Ma'am, ma'am, I think
0
0 degrees, 0 degrees.
तो दे आना ना उसको।
0 degrees.
I think
Ma'am,
that
0 degrees.
क्यों बढ़ा
Ma'am,
रही है?
0
दे
degrees.
आना।
ma'am, I think
बस
the
तू ब्रेड
Just
जाओ,
degree.
ma'am, I think
मिर्ची ले आओ,
ma'am,
मिर्ची
I
के लिए।
think ma'am, I
Yes,
think
ma'am, I have
ma'am,
searched on Google. It is -10 degree in the summers, and it is a
Ma'am?
freezing temperature, -10 degree.
ma'am, I am saying like the snow doesn't melt because of
हाँ
the
देगा।
southern hemisphere. It is lies at bottom of the earth like here. So, ma'am, the sun rays can't be can't
Yes.
be
Yes, ma'am,
what?
that's why always it have frozen hemisphere or
Okay,
frozen
see,
temperature.
it also says that at the South Pole, the highest temperature ever recorded was -12.3 degrees Celsius. So that means it is again a freezing temperature only. So that is why it does not melt. Even in summers, the highest recorded temperature has been this. Okay, Varshita?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, -10 degrees enough to freeze snow.
Yes,
And
exactly.
ma'am,
Yes, beta.
and ma'am, there one more reason is that it lies at the bottom of the earth, so that's why the rays of sun can't be.
Yes, it does not get direct rays of sun. That is why the temperature is still so less over there. It is not high.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now coming back to our next question. Explain the processes that take place in water cycle. No, sorry, name the processes that take place in water cycle.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question? I can't listen clearly.
Now, from next time, I will repeat, I will speak every question just 2 times. Those who will not be
Okay.
able to hear it, the question is gone for them. Name the processes that take place in a water cycle. Okay, correct, correct. Panchul, where is the third process, beta? Just 2 processes you have named. Shaurya, correct. Yashmit, correct. Samarth, correct. Jaskaran, correct. Very nice. Nice. Mokshit. Naisha, correct. The three processes are,
Ma'am, now it is right. Panchal.
yes, now it's correct. Evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Okay, now everybody write down 3 points to explain biosphere. Explain biosphere in 3 points.
Ma'am, please tell me the question.
Write any 3 points on biosphere. Explain biosphere in any 3 points.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I send Mokshit.
Yes, you have sent. Okay. Sure, Reva. Very good. Very nice. Very well explained.
Ma'am, I want to share Mokshit.
Very good, Mokshit. Correct.
Ma'am, I have also sent Panchal.
Very nicely written. Yes, this is how children you should. If I have told to write it in 3 points, see, he has numbered 1, 2, 3. This is how you're supposed to write. Naisha, very good. Still, so many students are left to send their answers. Are you typing? Shall I wait for you?
Ma'am, can I tell you a question that you can ask that is difficult?
Okay, tell.
What it is from 4th chapter, that is what is the speed of earth per a second in revolution?
Yes. What is the speed of Earth?
10,000. Ma'am, 10,000 per hour.
Really? Yashmit, is he correct?
Per second. Ma'am, it goes 30 kilometer per second.
Yes,
per second.
Correct.
yes,
Correct.
Ma'am, Arhan is right.
Yes,
Ma'am, Arhan
Arhan
is
is
right.
30 kilometer per second.
30 kilometers per second.
Very nice.
have 10.
Very
Ma'am,
good question, Yashmit.
Ma'am, 10,000 kilometers per second.
Beta, who told you 10,000?
I'm in the YouTube. I watch the videos.
YouTube.
Ma'am, is
YouTube
it 30? Ma'am, is it 30 kilometers?
Ma'am, imagine
Yes,
30
Harshita,
kilometer
it
per
is-
second
What
is
is
a
the
large
speed of
area, and space is that big that Earth rotates, revolutes, and it takes 30 kilometer per second, and space is that big.
yes.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Do you know Crab Nebula?
Do you know what?
Crab Nebula.
Nebula.
Crab Nebula.
To tell you one fact. I want to tell you one world record.
What?
Excuse me. I want to say something.
Ma'am, one skydiver from Australia want to make a world record of longest skydiving, so he went to space and jumped from space to Earth, and in some second he catch the speed of 1,272 kilometer per hour. He left sound speed behind.
What is the last line that you said? He left what behind?
And he left the speed of sound behind.
Oh.
He was going at 1,273 kilometer per hour.
So he even
Ma'am, excuse me.
he even crossed
Ma'am,
the speed of sound. He was faster than
Yes,
the speed
ma'am.
of sound.
Yes, ma'am, and he reached to the land safely in 4 minutes and 13 seconds.
My God. That's an amazing thing you
Ma'am.
told us. Yes, beta, yes. Bhavina, you say.
Excuse me. Ma'am, do you know that our galaxy have a black hole in
Yes.
black hole in the center?
Yes, I know. Okay. Now moving back to our questions. Ready for the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes. Anything anyone wants to ask?
There is also a fact that light moves 300,000 kilometers per second.
Okay. What is an orbit? What do you understand by the word orbit?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, please send the diagrams which are coming in our exams.
Beta, all those things that we have drawn in our copy, you need to practice them. Anything can be asked. The ones you have done.
I have sent Panchal, but it was in the last line. It was an orbit, but accidentally I have written and.
Okay, for orbit, I have told you before also, we need to use the word fixed. The fixed path.
Ma'am, please check my story.
Very nice. Very good. Correct. Okay, good. Next question. What is the axis of the earth? What is the axis of the earth? Oh God.
Ma'am, please check my
Yatharth,
Yatharth.
beta, see, only the last word. Instead of rotate, you should write spin. Vertical imaginary line, just not vertical line. It is it is a vertical imaginary line along which the earth spins.
Okay, ma'am.
Ready for the next question?
Yes.
How much time does the earth take to complete one revolution?
Ma'am, I have sent
Ma'am,
Bhavya.
we have to tell the exact.
Yes, how much time it takes? You have to tell that.
Ma'am, I have sent Bhavya.
Very good, Shore, Naisha, Panshu. Samar. Good, good, good. All those who have sent good. Yatharth, very nice.
I have also said.
Very good, very good, very good.
I have also.
Next question. 4 minutes are left. Okay.
Sorry, ma'am, I have gone somewhere, so I can't answer the question.
Okay, beta. Next question is, what is lithosphere?
Sent your thoughts.
Very good, very nice. Jatharth, Samad, Shore. What are you doing, Daksh Pratap, today? Naisha, what is the last word that you have written?
Ma'am, masses.
Masses. Okay. Anyone else who's still typing?
हाँ
I
मम्मी
sent punch.
I am मम्मी मिट्टू को अमरूद दे दो
Beta, mute yourself, Raina.
Sorry ma'am. My answer correct? Ma'am, please check my answer.
Land masses or solid portions of the earth form the lithosphere. Correct. The land masses and solid portion of the earth are called lithosphere. A domain on which we live is called lithosphere. That is also correct. Okay, next one.
Ma'am, it is biosphere in which
No,
we
no,
live.
we don't live in water and air, na. We only live on land. So it would be called
When we live
lithosphere
on
only.
first,
Where life exists, beta, it is biosphere. And where human beings live, it is lithosphere. Okay, what is an ecosystem?
Ma'am, what is the question?
What is an ecosystem? What do you understand by the term ecosystem?